Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about sources of food. Most of the food which we eat comes from plants and animals. So the main sources of our food are plants and animals. Now the main source of food are plants and animal. Activity 4. Find out the sources of food items eaten by us every day and complete this table. Children, this activity you have to do in your book. Now two examples are given. Food item and its sources is given. In the same way you have to complete the table. Rice, plant, egg, hen. Potato, plants. Wheat comes from plant. Curd, cow. Milk, cow, goat, buffalo, etc. Meat, hen, goat. Like this you have to complete this table. Children, let us revise also from page number 16. It is in page number 16. This also you have to do in book. Now, plants as a source of our food. Green plants are the primary source of food. Various parts of plants such as roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds are used as food by us. The parts of the plant which can be eaten are called edible part, while the other parts which cannot be eaten are called non-edible parts. For example, in a tomato plant, only the fruit part, that is tomato, is eaten, edible. Other parts like food, stem and leaves are not edible. Plants as a source of our food. Plants as a source of our food. See, plants are the primary source of food for us. Various parts of the plants like stem, leaves, fruit, seeds are eaten by us. The parts of the plant which are eaten by us are called edible part. Okay? Edible. E-D-I-B-I-B-L-E. And that part which is not eaten is called non-edible part. Non-edible part. For example, in tomato fruit is eaten. Other part like stems, leaves, etc. are not eaten. So the fruit is the edible part in tomato. In tomato, fruit is the edible part. Tomato, fruit is this edible part. Okay? Fruit is edible. Other parts are not edible. Activity 5. Observe tomato plant, banana tree and brinjal and write down their edible and non-edible parts in the following. This you have to do in your book. Okay? In tomato plant, fruit is edible. Root, stems and leaves are not edible. In banana, fruit is edible. Stem is also edible. Root and leaves are not edible. Sorry, stem is edible. Root and leaves are not edible in banana. In brinjal plant, fruit is edible, root, stem and leaves are not edible. Various parts of different plants that we eat as food. Roots. In plants like carrot, radish, beetroot, sweet potato and turnip, roots are swollen up due to storage of food. These modified roots are used as a source of food by us. In some countries, sugar is obtained from beetroot. Now the plants like carrot, radish, beetroot, in these plants, roots are edible. They are swollen due to the storage of food. Okay? So the roots are edible in carrot, beetroot, etc. Example of root which are edible are carrot, beetroot, etc. In some countries sugar is also obtained from beetroot. In these plants, roots are modified by us. Okay? Means the appearance of the roots is changed due to the storage of food. So they are edible. Means food is stored in them. Okay? Stems. Modified underground stems of some plants are used as a source of food. Onion, potato, ginger, garlic, turmeric, colchicea, arvi. We get sugar and jaggery from the stem of sugarcane. The stem of the banana plant is used to make tasty dishes in southern India. Now the stem which is modified are used as source of food. They grow underground. Stem is eaten is potato, ginger, sugarcane, etc. Potato, ginger, garlic, etc. stems are underground stems. Okay, means these stems grow under the ground. Stem of banana plant is used to make dishes also. And leaves. Now coming to leaves. We eat many leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are a rich source of minerals. Spinach, cabbage, lettuce, methi. We eat many leafy vegetables. Now the leaves which are edible are, some examples are spinach, cabbage, methi, etc. Flowers. Flowers of certain plants are also used as a source of food. Example, cauliflower, rose, broccoli. Now the flower part which is edible. Examples of flower part which is edible are cauliflower, broccoli, etc. Rose, broccoli, rose, etc. This is the edible part of the plant, flower. Fruits. Fruits of many plants are used as food. Many fruits are eaten raw. Fruits of plants are also used as vegetables. Brinjal, tomato, pumpkin, pea, ladyfinger, cucumber, beans are fruits of plants that develop from flower and have seeds. In some plants, fruits are dried and eaten by us. Fruits of many plants are used as food. We eat many fruits raw. Examples of fruits are mango, papaya, etc. Some fruits are dried and eaten. Okay, they are called dry fruits. For example, raisins, dried apricots, these are the dry fruits. Some fruits are also eaten as vegetables. Some fruits are eaten as vegetables. Example is brinjal, tomato, etc. Okay, these are the fruits which are used as vegetables. These are the fruits which are used raw. Okay. Now coming to seeds. Seeds are a rich source of food for human beings and animals. Cereals. Cereals are rich sources of carbohydrates. For example, wheat, rice, pulses, maize, millets, sorghum, etc. Pulses. Gram, green gram, black gram, pigeon, pea are protein-rich food. Oil seed. Some seeds also provide us with oil. Some oil-yielding seeds are mustard, sesame, groundnut, soybean, castor, sunflower, etc. Nuts. Seeds of some plants contain nuts which are high energy foods. Now, there are different seeds, cereals. Means in English, Hindi we can call it अनाज, जिसे बोलते हैं अनाज. They are the rich source of carbohydrates. Examples are rice, wheat, corn, etc. Then pulses. Example of pulses, they are the rich sources of protein. Example of pulses are gram, green gram, pigeon pea, etc. पिजन पी को हम हिंदी में अरहर बोलते हैं. ओके. Oil seeds. Some seeds are also used as oil. Example, mustard, groundnut, etc. Nuts. Some seeds are used as nuts. These nuts are high energy food. Okay. Examples are almonds, cashew, etc. Children, now this much for today's class. You have to do today these activity 4 and 5 in your book, and let us revise, which is in page number 16. Okay. Now in next class we will discuss animals as source of food. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you, children.